Do you need food? I've got some bread.
Um, I just spawned, so I have these 17 cooked pork
Oh
chops.
yeah, I spawned with just a tiny bit of redstone. Here I'll give you
Yeah.
some bread. Wait,
Um,
what? Oh,
thanks.
oh okay,
Um,
yeah. The tutorial.
all right. So step one for punching a tree is you want to look at the tree. Step two,
Found one.
you have to punch the tree, but you don't punch it once. You have to click and hold the mouse. Your headbutting the tree doesn't work.
Oh,
So what you want to do, you want to punch the tree
pumpkin.
and to there. See that? Now I have this wood that I found. Oh, oops.
Here, I'll get it. Whoops.
Um. Okay, and
There you go.
then what step are we up to?
That was step two.
Step three. Step three. You just want to break down the whole tree like this. So we'll probably edit this into a time lapse so you guys can like get a nice quick shot of how to break the tree. Thanks for watching, guys.
That's the outro.